friends, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing all of the projects that I made in April and May. I combined the 2 months because I didn't make as much during either of them as I usually do. And I'm so excited to share this with you because there are so many pretty pages and I ended up getting so much done between the 2 different months. I just can't wait to show you all the stuff that I made. So the first thing I will show you is my Happy Memory Planner for the year, and I created these pages documenting our trip to the Philippines in January. This was such a big project to undertake because there were so many vacation photos that I put off making this page until April, and I'm so excited that it's finally done. You could see all the details on how I made these pages here on my channel. There is a process video from here to here and all of these inserts in between. And then I also did my 3rd week in my Happy Planner, and I haven't shared this one yet, but this will be coming soon. I love how this one turned out. A lot of journaling, less photos, but yeah, lots of happy memory planning stuff, lots of photos. Really excited about this project still and can't wait to catch up on my year in here. Then we've got some Bible journaling pages. I did quite a few of these. This one there is a process video for on my channel. And then we've got this one right here. It was just a little sketch and a die cut. Not my favorite thing I've ever made, but it's okay. And then I've got this one. There's a process video for this one on my channel. And then we've got this one, and there's a process video for this one on my channel too. So lots of Bible journaling there, 4 pages in my journaling Bible. And then we've got a Project Life page here, and this is catching up on my 2018 Project Life album. I am not doing Project Life this year, which I have a video all about why on my channel. But this is catching up on last year's album and loved this layout that I made. There is a process video for this Project Life insert over on my channel as well. I tried to film process videos on almost all of the creative stuff that I do, or the pages that I make at least. That way you guys get to see how they all come together. And then we've got this one. There's a process video for this too. I absolutely love this layout. It's got my little bunny in it, and his name is Albus. I love these foil thickers. Everything is so cute. And then I did a Traveler's Notebook insert. Of course, there's a process video for this one too on my channel. Super cute. I love all the details and dimension and texture on this page. And then my last 2 layouts for these months are 8.5 by 11 size, and this one does not have a process video, but it is on the Citrus Twist Kits blog, and I love this so much. This was using Crate Paper's All Heartline and a couple other collections that came in the Citrus Twist Kit add-on kit last month, and I love these little butterflies that are flying off the page. Their wings lift up off of the page, and I just love all the texture and the fun enamel dots and paint splatters and the gold and the cork, everything about this page. I think it's so much fun. And then we've got this one. This is another one of my favorites that I have ever made. I really love this one. I love how much the photos pop off of the page. Again, we've got the foiled alphabets here and so many beautiful things. There is a process video for this page over on my channel as well. So we've got 2 8.5 by 11 layouts. We have one 12 by 12 layout, one Traveler's Notebook size layout, one 9 by 12 Project Life insert. We've got 2 weeks in my Happy Planner, as well as 2 additional inserts, which concluded my entire Philippines trip, which was a huge hurdle to document that because there were so many photos. And then we had 4 Bible journaling pages. So I hope you have enjoyed this look at everything that I created memory keeping wise in my craft room the last couple of months. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions on any of my projects, And if you're interested in me having a Patreon, let me know. I think I will be scaling back on the number of videos that I'm sharing on YouTube because I've started graduate school and the program is pretty demanding. So I have a lot less time right now, and I'm thinking Patreon would be a great way to share these videos with you guys and get properly compensated for all the time and effort that goes into them, as well as being able to provide you guys with awesome free tutorials and digital downloads and other beautiful stuff that I make. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, friends!